Hello dear Taurans, welcome to my channel Karmic Sage. So this video I'm going to read your energy for the month of June 2021. Okay, and even the angelic message for you all. So let's begin our reading. While I shuffle my cards, I request you all to please do like and subscribe my channel. Do share my videos also. This is the energy reading for Taurians for the month of June 2021. No. So I'm going to spread this desk. I'm going to spread this deck and pull out one card to understand your energy for this month. So dear spirit guides, angels, please guide Taurians with their energy. Okay, so before I even do a spread, one card has fallen here, and let me also spread this. So as we have got this one card, man holding a coin. Probably this is what you're going to deal with. I'm going to pull out one more card here. Oh wow, such a wonderful energy, dear Taurans. Now, so this is a perfect match for you. Man holding a coin and woman holding a coin. So I feel here this is such a wonderful energy which has never happened. Two cards, similar cards, same time falling out. Okay, so what I feel here is this month is going to give you some kind of prosperity, some kind of new opportunities of earning money, dear Taurans. And you see, if you are a lady Taurian, you will have a man coming, a male energy coming into your life. And for the I think it can be both, either of these, male or female energies. You are going to benefit with these two energies, male and female, either of these or even these two energies, male and female energies, okay, who are going to give you the who are going to give you the guidance on how you can expand your business or how you can do well in your job. And probably they are going to help you out. Probably it can be your lady boss also, it can be your male boss also, right? So maybe you maybe as getting promoted, even promotion can be on the card here. And new job opportunities with a higher income. Okay, so overall what I see is there are opportunity of you earning, increasing your earnings. Okay, and yeah, it can be some wealth related benefits also that may be coming your way. So lot of money related issues, lot of money related benefits what I am seeing for you this month. This energy for you this month, dear Taurians. So that's a wonderful energy for you. And I'm also seeing that many Taurians are going to, you see, many Taurians are going to assist someone with the financial guidance. Probably this energy can be you also, where you are going to be like a mentor, or where you are going to help someone out and stand for someone to help them financially. Okay, it's so this can be either of this, and mostly, but yes, there's going to be money is going to talk to you. Money is going to play a bigger role in this month for you, dear Taurans. Okay, so now let's understand, keeping these cards aside, and let's understand, okay, what's the angelic message for you. Message from the angels for Taurians for the month of June 2021. Sorry, I couldn't shuffle this properly. Yeah. Message from angels for Taurians for the month of June 2021. I hope you all are doing great in this pandemic also. Just stay home and stay safe, dear Taurians. Yeah. So here I go with my spread. Okay, I'm going to pull out one card which is going to be a message for you from the angels, right? And this is the message, dear Taurans. Oh, manifestation card for you too. Okay, that's a wonderful, wonderful energy with you along with these two cards. So this card reads that be very honest and clear about what you wish to manifest in your life. Now write it down on paper. Manifest step 1. Okay, so yeah, that's a very auspicious energy this month coming your way, dear Taurians. Very powerful energy where the angels are suggesting you to manifest your ideas, to manifest your dreams, to manifest your plans. Okay, and yeah, so you have to put it down on a piece of paper, or you have to actually put it in practical from your mind, how you going to share with the universal energies, how you going to connect with yourself with the universal energies is very important, and that is when the manifestation begins, manifestation of your dream begins. So try to put down what all you need to do, what all you want to achieve. Okay, try to put down on a piece of paper, and I suggest to keep it in your in your closet, or keep it somewhere no in on your altar also. You can keep in your closet, you can keep somewhere inside, and you read those manifestation, you read those things, you read those dreams daily, at least for one time. Okay, so this is the process how we manifest. Usually this really works. I have tried this a lot many times also. It has worked for me, and it has worked for others also. Okay, dear Taurians, so this is the manifestation energy. So what I feel is, as your dreams are coming true, as your dreams are getting manifested, your desires are getting manifested, you are also going to benefit financially from what you actually aim, right, from what you actually looking forward to. So this is going to be a really very wonderful and very powerful energy for you this month, dear Taurians. So with this I wind up this video. I see you again in another video. Until then, I wish you really good luck. Bye bye, take care.